गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Like we used to consider Lord Vishnu to be capable. His incarnations were Sri Krishna and Sri Ram. As devotees ask question many times, they ask like Sri Krishna made Mordhwaj's son Tamradhwaj alive after chopping him with a blade. With this one example, he was assumed to be omnipotent. Dharamdas had questioned, and God Kabir replied. Then God Kabir said to Dharamdas that, why did Sri Krishna not revive his real nephew Abhimanyu when he was killed in the Mahabharata war on the first day? He was his real nephew, was the son of Subhadra. Sri Krishna could not revive him, who was needed to be made alive. He got involved there and chopped the son of Mordhwaj and made him alive. Dharamdas was stunned that, God, this is true. Their clan was getting destroyed. Their God could not make him alive. Then he questioned God what was the reason. God told that the age of Tamardhwaj was remaining, and they had so much powers that he got him chopped himself and revived him. But Abhimanyu's age was not remaining. Sri Krishna could not do anything, nor can he do. Dharamdas said that God, yes, he was needed to be made alive. He was a brave warrior and was needed. The war was going on. The clan of Pandavas was destroyed. In this way, God reminds us that
तुम कौन राम का जपते जापम, ताते कटे ना ये तीनों तापम.
Now the topic that is going on, that is that if we come under the shelter of that God, then He will also extend our age. He is Almighty, Supreme God, the complete God. The Vedas testify that God extends the age. But who is that God? He is Purna Brahma. Kabir Dev. Let me show you a little bit here. That Almighty, look, we have heard a lot of fables until you see the evidence with your eyes. You will not be able to believe it, because the speakers of the name of Vedas used to do satsang by giving reference to the Puranas, Gita Ji and the Vedas, and we used to think they are the scholars of Sanskrit. They are speaking Sanskrit fluently. They must have understood the scriptures correctly. They used to say that whatever is destined will have to be born. When someone's age is supposed to end, will surely end. There is no alternative for this. It has been written in the qualities of God that God can increase our life and can destroy the troubles that have to come in our life. What can He do whose devotion is true and is according to the scriptures? They get all the benefits. God can also extend our age. I will show you the Vedas, because the only benefit of education is that we can understand our scriptures ourselves. Until we do not understand, anyone could mislead us, may say anything and we will agree. because of which we are wandering here till today and are following the fake saints. Look, this is Rig Ved. I will show you. Where is this published from? Sarvadeshik Arya Pratinidhi Sabha, Maharishi Dayanand Bhavan, Ramlila Ground, New Delhi. These are their phone and fax numbers. The printer is Prince Offset Printers, 1510 Pataudi House, Daryaganj, New Delhi. In Rigved Mandal number 10, Sukt 161, and in Mantra number 2, if the patient's life is about to finish, means whose life is about to end or has gone beyond the limit, even if he has reached near death, then to that patient, look, the followers of Dayanand have written Doctor here, because Dayanand used to believe that God cannot do anything. Neither can he cure disease nor can increase age, so he has written here Doctor. He brings him out from the claws of painful disease and strengthens him to live up to 100 cold seasons, means makes him strong enough to live for 100 more years. Now here they have intentionally done nonsense here. There is no mention of doctors in this original text because Veda is not a book of medicine but contains the knowledge of God. His glory is inside, and they have written, God says,
चोर चुरावे तुंबड़ी वो गड्ढे पानी में, वो गड्ढे हुआ ऊपर आवे ना, सच्चाई छनी ना.
but somewhere or the other, God closed their eyes where they have written the truth, even though they did not want to write. God made them write, they wouldn't have written. Look at this Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 80, Mantra number 2. Aha. O God, you are the one who increases the age of the worshippers. Now they have forgotten to write the doctor. See, God says,
चोर चुरावे तुंबड़ी गड्ढे पानी में, वो गड्ढे हुआ ऊपर आवे ना, सच्चाई छनी ना.
I will show you more. In their translation, look, if this servant translates and tell, then you will not believe. You may believe, but they won't let you believe. They would have misled you by saying that Rampal does not know Sanskrit. What translation will he do of the Vedas? And they said same of our God Kabir Sahib, that Kabir is uneducated. He does not have literal knowledge. This is a matter of Sanskrit. Understanding these scriptures is not the job of this weaver. He tells lies, and God used to tell the complete truth 600 years ago, which the servant is showing you today in the scriptures. And God got the translation done from them. God did mercy in their translation. Else, who says that I am Kal and that God is someone else? All references have been given in Gita. God made him speak. Kal does not know when and what he spoke. God made Brahm Kal speak the truth, that God is someone else. I am Kal and have come to eat everyone. Then he said with arrogance that there was no one to stop me. I may say anything, but he told the truth. Now it worked for us. Look, this is Rigved. It is the second part. It is in long binding. The publisher is Pandita Rakesh Rani. From where has this been published? Head office, Ved Mandir Mahatma Ved Bhikshu Seva Ashram, Lekh Ramnagar, Ibrahimpur. Proprietor Mukhmelpur. Delhi 110036. Telephone 7202249. Dayanand Institute. He is its translator. Mahatma Ved Bhikshu Bharatendu Nath, Dayanand Institute, Karol Bagh from New Delhi. He has translated this. Look, this is Rigved Mandal number 10, Sukt 161, and it is mantra number 2. He has done a very good translation. The truth. If the life of a patient has completed, he has no life. If he has gone beyond the limit, means he has gone near death, still I will free him from the claws of very painful disease and make him strong enough for the life of 100 years. He has also written correctly in the meaning that if the life of a patient ends, that is, his age is over and his disease has crossed the limit, still God can free him from this incurable disease and extend his life for 100 years. It is written correctly here because there is the glory of God. This is not the book of some medical practitioner or a medicine book. See, this is Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 80. Here 82 has been written wrongly because it has started from here. 80th starts here. 82nd is later. The 79th Sukt has ended and 80th has started. And this is the second mantra. Even further, the 82nd starts like this. The 81st also completed. This is Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 80. This is the 81st. The 80th Sukt has ended here. These are its other mantras. This is Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukt 80. O God, you are the one who increases the age of his worshippers as it is. He has done it correctly. Virtuous souls, we have to take shelter of that God whose glory is sung in Vedas. God himself says,
वेद मेरा भेद है, मैं ना वेदन के माही, और जौन वेद से मैं मिलूं ये वेद जानते नहीं.
God Kabir says, in all these 4 Vedas, there is my glory.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन. अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org. संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है. अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541.